Hi everyone, my name is Sam. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notification every time I post a new video. Also, please like this video for the YouTube algorithm. This will help me grow this channel. So in this video, I'll show you how you can record a video in PowerPoint. So if you have a PowerPoint presentation and you want to record a video of that presentation, you can certainly do that. You can also show your face in the video if you like. You can have like a sort of a teleprompter that you can read from it. You can certainly do that as well. So let's get started. So this is the PowerPoint presentation I want to record. So to add a teleprompter, you will have to go to notes and add different notes to your presentation. So here I say this is howtech demo. Here you put notes. And then I have 3 slides. I'll just record all of them. So to record a video, you have to go to record, and then you have 2 options to record. So you can do from the beginning. So it will you will go to the first slide, then click next, then you will go to the next slide, and then next and next. And you can also do it from the current slide, which will be if you want to start recording from here, you can do that from current slide. Okay, so I'll do it from the beginning for this one. So let's see how it looks like. So here you have a bunch of options. So these are the notes that I just put on. So this is a howtech demo. Here you put notes, and you also can turn on your camera. Your picture will show somewhere around here. You also have a bunch of options. You can show your background or you can blur your background. If you don't want to have a teleprompter, you just want to have directly, you want to see the slides, you can do that. You just change this to a presenter view, and it will kind of show you just the slides. And here you'll see this, you still see the notes, but it will kind of show you the slides much bigger. Okay, I'll just go to a teleprompter. And so here, now what you have to do is just click on record. So I'll just turn off the mic for this one, but you will have to turn on the mic just to talk. So I'll just hit record, and then what it will do is that it will start recording. So you will say whatever you have to say for this slide, then we'll just move on to next one, and then you'll say whatever you have to say here, and then you will move on to next one, and then whatever you have to say here, you'll say here, and then you'll stop the recording. So now, for whatever reason, for slide number 2 you want to re-record because you did not like what you said, you can certainly do that. You can say it on the current slide, or say it's a retake on the current slide. So you just click on here, so it will kind of re-record whatever you just said for this slide. So we'll just do that again, but here when you stop, you will have to do it manually for rest of the slides, but you can certainly re-record for certain or particular slide that you want to record. So now the video is done. All the 3 slides we talked over. Now I'll just go to export. So here I'll just say howtech demo 1, and then I'll just export this. So it'll take a minute for me to do, but if you have like a longer video, it might take some time. I'll just say this. So this is the video that we just recorded. You can see that is the first slide. It will just move on to the second slide. It will move on to the third slide after this. So what's happening here is that if you also have for your short or your face on here, it will show up somewhere around here. So you can also show up your face in this video. So now what you can do is, so these are the slides that we just recorded over, as you can see. So you can also see, yeah, so these are slides we recorded over. So if you have your mic on, you will also see like a speaker sign here. You can also play it here. That will kind of show you what the recordings are. If you want to re-record over the slide, you will just go here, clear a recording on all slides or current slide. You can do that as well. So this is it for this video. If you like this video, please check out my other PowerPoint related video. You should see them in the description below or at the end of this video. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.